Primarily because I wanted an exemption from the CIMA paper when I do decide to take my professional accounting qualification. And secondly, because I wanted to choose a module that was more based on essay writing to give me a break from all the numerically based modules I had on my accounting and finance degree. Also, another factor was not only as somebody who has an ambition to become self-employed running my own business, but also if I choose to be an accountant or end up being a director of a multinational, fingers crossed, it's essential to understand a little bit about the main components about how a successful business is run on an operational level, and the enterprise operations module will most certainly allow you to do so. And also, finally, people say that to be successful you need to know a little bit about a lot, and you'll definitely find that the module teaches you exactly that. The module covers topics such from information systems, operations, marketing and managing human capital, all which are very important for running a business. I learnt that keeping track of current affairs is crucial, as they inevitably have an impact on businesses. With that in mind, I'd recommend you to take full advantage of even having a skim read of the free Financial Times that the University Business School provides you in the mornings. Also, learning about the different functional areas of a business, as well as improving my analysis and evaluating skills, were very important and proved to be very useful. Another factor is that I always like to think about the bigger picture of a business, and this module allows you to explore into the economical, the social, the political context of an international business. Reference to building my business called ssplus.co, this module has most definitely helped. For example, the module has been brilliant in enabling me to make an informed decision about whether to outsource certain services or whether to provide them in-house, for example. And also, even when on an internship or 3-month internship at Barclaycard, working as a business analyst between my 2 and year 3, I found that the background knowledge I developed about the financial sector and its current affairs were crucial when it came to gauging how successful a particular company were in relation to the industry average, and if that was normal. As with every module, if you do put the hours in, you must certainly do well. As I said, if you put the extra few hours of self-study, you'll definitely end up with a solid grade A, and more importantly, a decent knowledge about the sector. For the exam, I'd recommend that you don't just revise a few hours prior to the exam by flicking through the textbook, but also focus very much so on the notes that you're given throughout the semester, and look at the topics you cover and expand on them using the textbook, and make notes throughout. As soon as you start the module, I'd definitely recommend beginning to take notes. I would most certainly recommend the module to others for the primary reason that it allows you to grasp a firm understanding of how a business runs. It's crucial for whatever career path you choose to take. Secondly, I can confidently say that Emma Rose is definitely one of the most passionate teachers I've seen and been taught by. And no, she hasn't paid me. Don't get me wrong, if you haven't carried out the prep for the lesson, you'll be questioned why you haven't carried it out, understandably. However, her energy will most certainly make learning this course both enjoyable and worthwhile, and I wish you the best of luck.